Good morning, everybody, on this historic day because we're covering gas again and it's over. Gas dropped down massively yesterday afternoon. It's still like yesterday. I personally was still holding out hope because I have seen gas get a bearish breakout before, and then it recovers afterwards. But yesterday, gas was unable to retake $23 right here, as you can see, and it started crashing again. And it is over. And this is another confirmation that it was very, very manipulated. All right, it crashed down from $30 all the way down to 13 in a matter of a day. All right, it's this should be illegal. All right, because I mean I already told you, gas is probably going to crash down very, very hard at some point of time. I'm not sure what I said yesterday of whether I expected it to crash right now or not. But we all knew it would crash. Like we all saw that with the crazy volume that gas had. Right here, it's over $2 billion. Most of it coming from Bybit. We knew it was manipulated. We know that there are manipulators making a ton of money on this. We know that they have mostly sold right now, and we also know that retail made lost a lot of money. All right, and that does annoy me a lot. Because personally, I mean, I see a lot of people in the community trading gas. Personally, I haven't traded it because the thing is that trading is a zero-sum game. All right, so when there's $10 million won somewhere by someone, that also means that $10 in total is lost by people. So manipulators are 100% making money on this. So who's then losing money? Retail, all right? And that's why I always say, stay away from this, all right? Stay away from this, or trade with caution, or do a lot of research on the price movements. But please, let this be a lesson, all right? The same with TRB. Is super manipulated, huge crash. Because you can see, if you consider the open interest right here, you'll see that it's basically like huge moves down. That's just positions being closed. And then some of them opened and then closed again. So right now, I do think it's over for gas. We're at this range right now, right here between 11.5 and $13. I think it's possible that gas actually rallies up still from here, but only to take out resistance levels. So for example, gas could actually get up to like 16.5, potentially even 18.5 from here. And that is actually what I expect, some bullish momentum from here. But then eventually it will just drop back down, consolidate, and then long-term drop down lower towards $10. And then afterwards down to this area right here at $7. And yeah, they will slowly close all of their positions, get out of gas, and make a lot of money. And that does annoy me. I mean, right now, the funding rate is actually normal as well. You can see the funding rate was one of the things that actually pushed up the price a lot. And now the funding rate, it seems to me at least, that the funding rate is actually normal again. Which at least, well, at some places it's actually not normal anymore, or still not normal. So there still is some incentive to long, but in general, I think the manipulation is over. I think the price movement will be very similar to Loom's price movement right here. Here you can see a big crash down, followed by more crashes down, consolidation with some spikes, and some spikes up and spikes down, by the way. So that's what I expect for gas as well. Like I said, I would still try to stay out of this or trade it with low position sizes. If we quickly to close this video, if we consider where there's a lot of liquidity for gas, you'll see that most of the liquidity right now is really up here at like 17 and 16.5. So it will probably take that out before going down lower. Those are my thoughts. Those are my thoughts on gas, what I expect technically, fundamentally. If you do have any questions, let me know. If you want to gain a little bit more value from me in my premium group or with my own trades in the Signal group, consider joining those. Links to those will be down in the description. That's up to you. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.